Hey, what is up, Master Jason here. So we're going to be continuing a technical analysis and a price prediction on Ethereum, picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. And now, in the last video, I did talk about how there was a possibility of seeing this WXY pattern and how this corrective wave here that we have going on, how this could be something that could continue us into a more bearish situation. And that bearish situation is that we could possibly end up seeing this this larger WXY pattern that we have here taking us down even lower. If we were to continue to see some zigzags within here going on, there's that possibility that we can see a very bearish case scenario of seeing Ethereum fall to a much lower price. Now, obviously, I am not someone that is a bear on Ethereum. I am bullish on Ethereum, and I do have these price predictions that I did set. I have what I was calling a bearish price prediction originally during the Ethereum merge, of saying that if we were to see the price of Ethereum going to even as low as 1850 being bearish, I was not starting to be neutral on Ethereum until we saw Ethereum go past $1,800 and even go up into a price of like $2,800. I really wanted to see Ethereum retrace a lot of what was going on back in April, May, back then, before we saw the price of Ethereum go down. That second quarter of this year was just a disaster, and that's where we saw Ethereum go down to its 52-week low. And of course, pretty much every other cryptocurrency fall down to the 52-week low. So this giant correction that we got going on here, there's been a lot going on within it. And so I want to just continue talking about where could we be seeing things going here? How could these patterns be playing out, as well as also still go through a bullish scenario? So we're going to be doing the bearish scenario and the bullish scenario. If you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash the story annihilate or gently press that like button. Help me out with the algorithm, help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting, and subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Now, let's get to it. So, of course, sadly, Ethereum is down more than 16% over these last 7 days, and over the last 24 hours, it's down a bit more than 2% right now. So, prior to the Ethereum merge, a lot of whales decreased their holdings, and ETH addresses holding between 100,000 to 1 million Ethereum fell by 4% in the last 3 months. Now, of course, there's been accumulation with Ethereum. Even though some whales have sold, it's not that there has not been smaller investors that have been accumulating more Ethereum. Now, as far as things going on with the price right now, there is some key things that we do need to talk about. One, we need to make sure that Ethereum's price is staying above $1,400. We do not want to see the price of Ethereum falling much lower because, well, then one, we're going to have to continue lowering our Y wave, but we want to stay above this current Fibonacci level that we're in right now. We don't want to see the price fall into this Fibonacci level and then risk that that possibility of falling much more. If that was to happen, then we're just going to really be retracing a lot of the gains, and that's just going to send the price of Ethereum to a much more bearish situation. We don't want to see this Y wave coming down, and that would just make this Y wave over here be more of a reality of something that could happen, which we definitely do not want to see. So let's play with the possibility of this being the scenario. So our wave one will be where we're currently at right now. We'll see the price come up just a little bit and then take us back down into the bearish situation. So we will be within our original bearish price prediction. And then as we have our wave 4 and then our wave 5, this could be that big retracement that could take the price of Ethereum back down to the 52-week low. Now, obviously, we don't want this situation to play out. We want to see things turn around here, and after this wave, see a bit of a correction, and that be how things can play out. So if over these next couple of days, if we were to see instead Ethereum pump through this 50% Fibonacci level and actually go up to that $1,600 price, then if that's the case, then we can assume that things are going to not be so bearish just yet, and it's still very much of an open correction that could really lead us anywhere. So hopefully we end up seeing this scenario take us into one of these different price predictions, hopefully up within at least this neutral price prediction, or better and just do a full retracement. But we'll have to see things play out. Now I'm hoping that we're going to see a little bit of some positive movements with Bitcoin as we do move forward. And of course, we have a lot of other things that are in play right now that are going to really have a lot of influence in the market. So cross our fingers that we do not see the price of Ethereum falling down below $1,400, which we're very close to right now. Hopefully we end up seeing Ethereum manage to pump through this 50% Fibonacci level at around the price of $1,450 and rise through that and get us into this next Fibonacci level at around $1,600. That would be ideal. But anyways, that's the update for now. Of course, we're going to be monitoring this very closely. I will make another video on this very soon, hopefully sometime early tomorrow, and then we will see how things are playing out from there. So with that being said, though, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you guys in the next one coming very soon.